Time to open your eyes to see the difference between the Galaxy Fold 4 and the Fold 3. Welcome to the official unpack day as we go hands-on with the Fold 4. The Fold 4 is a bit of an odd one, as on first glance it might be hard to catch the difference unless you really put it side by side with the Fold 3 to see how it actually looks. Starting with the first change, which you can easily spot, is with the outer screen, which is now wider than before. It's a good change, but if you pay attention to it, it's still not as wide as some of the other foldables, but it is just enough. Samsung still wants to treat this as an outer screen while being more one-handed friendly. Now it's not just wider, we have the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus as well for stronger protection. It's also IPX8 rated, so it should be able to handle rain or water splashes just fine. Now looking at the main screen, it looks pretty much the same as the previous model. It is slightly wider and has a brand new UTC with improved light sensitivity, so you should expect slightly better photos and videos versus the Fold 3. The best thing about Samsung's main screen is that it is uninterrupted with no punch hole or anything. It looks proper immersive. While it is immersive, the Fold 4 still has the same crease level as the Galaxy Fold 3. Now looking at the back, there's nothing changed. It's exactly like the Fold 3. Even with the newer cameras, Samsung still went to have that old camera layout look. The colors are also same as before. Now the Fold 4 is actually lighter than the Fold 3 while having the same battery size of 4400 mAh. I think that's pretty impressive because it's slowly reaching that standard smartphone weight. If Samsung had a built-in S Pen, then the phone would have been pretty heavy, so I think it was the right call to prefer a lighter fold. Now what about the actual software? Well, with the Fold 4 you're getting the brand new One UI 4.1.1, and right off the bat you can see the first visual difference, which is the new taskbar that Samsung has introduced. It stays there all the time, so you can launch your most used apps right away. Very likely Samsung will bring these features to the Fold 3 with the new One UI 4.1.1 update. Overall, Samsung is still marketing the same things that you can do with the Fold 3, like the flex screen, being able to use the back cameras as your selfie, also third-party apps utilizing the main screen, etc. Now Galaxy Fold 4 along with the Flip 4, they are officially the fastest Galaxy devices right now with the new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip. The Galaxy Fold 4 definitely has a huge performance lead, but most importantly, compared to the Fold 3, it's gonna be more efficient, which is going to be the key to unlocking the better battery life experience on day-to-day usage. Now looking at the cameras, I think for the first time we have a proper pro camera setup on a folding Samsung device. This is a good improvement over the Fold 3. The main 50 megapixel ISOCELL GN5 is same as the Galaxy S22 Plus and has a similar performance to the S22 Ultra. Not quite. I mean, the S22 Ultra will do better in low light, plus you have long range zoom still only for the Ultra exclusively. With that being said, the Fold 4 does get its first pretty good standard zoom level, which is 3x, and you can extend that up to 30x space zoom. In my opinion, I think it's a very all-around good camera setup, but considering the price of the Fold 4, I wish Samsung went with the same main camera sensor as the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So should you upgrade if you have the Fold 3? Well, I think it's a nice increment, but not enough for the Fold 3 users to jump in. But if you're on the Galaxy Z Fold 2, or if you're someone who has never used a foldable phone from before, I think the Fold 4 might just be your perfect entry into this world of foldables. I think if money is not an issue and you want to experience something new, something very different from what's already on the market in the form of standard smartphones, then Fold 4 could be that perfect chance. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.